Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the speakers not working on the REALME P3 5G smartphone. So the first thing that you can try is to check the volume levels. So to do that, we're gonna go to settings, scroll down to sounds and vibrations, and here you have all of these sliders that you can adjust the volume with. So you have media, ringtone, notifications, alarm. So the one you want is probably media. So just scroll this and check if it works. So it's going to make a sound with each adjustment. So check if that helps. The next thing that you could try is to clean the speaker net, this speaker grill right here with a brush. So I have this brush that's designed to clean phones basically, and what you could do is get in there, just clean it up, maybe just get out some dirt, maybe something's blocking the speakers, and just try that. Maybe the sound will get better. So the next thing that you could try is to boot your phone into safe mode. So to do that, what you're going to do is just plug your phone in with a cable to your PC or another device. So then after you restart, you're going to hold the power button and the volume button until a menu with the safe mode appears. So the next thing that you could try, if that didn't work, is to go to settings and try to update your software or factory reset. So just go to system and updates, select software update, and now it's going to be checking for updates. And here, as you can see, I have an update available that now can help me update my phone and maybe fix the issue. So there's a security update and a system update, fixes some known issues to improve system stability. So you can press this button down here to start downloading the update, and once it's done, you can restart your phone to actually install it on your phone. And if that didn't work, the last thing that you could try is to back up all of your data and restart your phone. So or not restart, reset it. So just go to system and updates, backup and reset, and select reset phone. So here you can erase all data, erase all settings, and reset network and Bluetooth settings. So just select the option that you want to change, option that you want to reset, and press clear all data. So once your phone is reset, check if that works, and if it didn't, I recommend bringing the phone into a repairman to repair your phone. But that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.